Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error VAN9003 VALORANT. This build of Vanguard is out of compliance with current system settings. Chapter 1. How to fix error VAN9003 VALORANT. This build of Vanguard is out of compliance, validating secure boot. To start, in your system's BIOS or UEFI, go to Security. Click on Secure Boot. Here in the Secure Boot section, set the value enabled. You can apply the changes. Chapter 2. How to fix error VAN9003 VALORANT. This build of Vanguard is out of compliance with current system settings, assigning supervisor password and TPM. You must access the BIOS or UEFI of your PC, then you will go to the Security section. First, select the Set Supervisor Password option. You can enter the desired password and apply the changes. After that, in Security, click on TCG Feature Setup. Here, in the Security Chip 2.0 section, assign the value enabled. This line will change the name based on the version of your PC. You can save the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.